Welcome to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. In this very edition, we're going to learn how to count the numerals in Twi, so stay tuned. For you to be able to count the numerals from 1 to infinity, the most important numbers that you need to learn are 1 to 10. Once you get those ones right, you are good to go. The rest is not difficult, so stay tuned. Well, without wasting my time, let's start right away from 1. 1 baako, baako. 2 mienu, mienu. 3 miensa, miensa. 4 9, 9. 5 enum, enum. 6 nsia, nsia. 7 nson, nson. 8 nwɔtwe, nwɔtwe. 9 nkono, nkono. 10 edu, edu. It's easy, isn't it? Let's take it one more time. Baako, mienu, miensa, nine, enum, nsia, nson, nwɔtwe, nkono, edu. Once you are able to learn these ones, it will be very easy for you to count from 11 to infinity. So take note of these and then learn them very well. Let's take them one more time. Baako, mienu, miensa, nine, enum, nsia, nson, nwɔtwe, nkono, edu. Let's meet at the next lesson for us to learn how to count from 11 to 20. Thanks for watching.